Okay, is there anything else any of you wanted to say before we close?
I would just say that, you know, having some idea what it costs to outfit a dental office in the implementing a lot of these things, especially when you compare it to the risk that you can be offsetting, does not have to be that costly. And just doing it stepwise right away, there are some things you can do right away that really improve this: the portable air cleaners, the chair side suction, the just putting change. Unfortunately, it requires change, which everybody drags their feet on, but overall the cost doesn't have to be prohibitive to get these things moving. And even in the long run, it shouldn't be a deterrent to making change here.
Thank you. All right, you guys, we're almost there. Thank you very much. Thanks for everybody who attended. We had one, let's see, I think there was one more question, but I can no longer see the chat. So I think we're finished with that. So we'll let everybody go. You can see the code. Thank you to my panel for sharing your wisdom from outside of dentistry to all of us. Sure appreciate it.
Thank you, Nancy.
Yes, thank you again to all of our speakers. The CE code is